Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. And today I have an amazing thrift haul to share. Now, usually when I share my thrift hauls, I'm sitting in front of the camera and I'm just showing y'all the items. But realistically, today I have to do some serious deep cleaning and I have to organize. So some of the items that I thrifted, I'm going to share with y'all how I use it for organization. And I'm also going to decorate a little bit. If you enjoy any form of thrifty style kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. All right, y'all, let's get started. Some things that I thrifted for organization. I have these beautiful floral vintage tins. I have some of these glass jars and also have these boxes that I thought would be perfect, again, for organization. In great condition. First, I'm just going to declutter all of my jewelry. I'm just going to keep all of my real jewelry and place them in these jars. So I emptied out all of my jewelry. This is going in the garbage. Well, I'm just going to donate it. I actually love some of these earrings that I got from the thrift store, but I cannot wear artificial jewelry anymore. It breaks my skin out. So I'm going to get rid of that. These are my rings. I'm going to keep some sentimental jewelry that my husband gave. I'm gonna keep my bracelet, this ladybug bracelet. I'm gonna start wearing that. This bracelet here, I need to get clean, but I still love that, and my charm bracelet. So these are very precious to me, so I'm definitely keeping these. All right, so now I need to tackle the linen closet. Just giving y'all before look. I'm not really showing y'all step by step of me cleaning, but I have a ton of stuff to declutter, throw away, and organize. So right now, I'm just going through my personal items. I have nail polish, I have facial cleansers, hair accessories. I have so much stuff, y'all, and I'm going to use my thrifted tins, which are absolutely beautiful. I love that floral print for organization. And here I'm just using it to store my hair accessories in a larger tin. And it was like the perfect size. Finally got my stuff organized, y'all. Well, some of my stuff, but the beautiful glass jars with my jewelry pieces in there and my vintage tins are just perfect on my nightstand. Now I am going to move these to another place in my room, but I just thought it'd be perfect to show y'all first. I just wrapped up my bedroom, well, my bedroom closet, and now I'm in the dining room area. I have these beautiful vintage plates. I love the scallop edge, and overall it's just so classic. So I thought it'd be perfect here on my wooden hutch, and just trying to keep it very simple. I'm glad that these plates are the perfect size. I should have wiped that one down, but getting a visual to see how I want them to be placed. Beautiful, I love that. I'll move this one over a little bit. I've been having a hard time decorating my hutch because I realized I want to keep it very minimum. I don't want to overdo on any decor. I just want classic pieces that'll be perfect throughout the entire year, and I think that'll be absolutely perfect. I'm just gonna add some citrus fruit. We actually eat these oranges, so they're here now, but they'll be gone by tomorrow. And these overripe lemons. I've been doing a lot of baking, and this all of the lemons that I have left. So perfect. The bottom part, I'm not sure what to do exactly. Let me know in the comments, what do you think I should do with the bottom portion? But I am loving the top. Beautiful. I love this hutch. And at the very top of the hutch, I did also thrift this beautiful antique crock. Still have the price tag on it for $59. Of course, I received a huge discount. And I am going to place a plant inside. So I just decided to leave it up there until I find the right indoor plant so it could just drape across. But in the meantime, I love the picture up there too. It's an oil painting that I thrifted some time ago. But this is my beautiful hutch. I also have this vintage tray that I paid $30 for. I'm sure I got it for a discount, but I don't recall. But I'm finally, if I can take that tag off, but I'm finally going to utilize it in my dining room. I am thinking of placing the center of my dining room table, excuse the mess, and add some floor arrangements. All right, y'all, so that's a wrap with this video. I hope y'all enjoyed just coming along as I simply decorate my home with thrifted finds along with organizing. Now, there's much more I need to do to my house, but I'm so happy with the outcome so far. Thanks, y'all, again for watching, and I'll chat with y'all in the next video.